We all understand art in different ways. We interpret it in different ways. Here in the Niagara Park's Botanical Gardens, we can celebrate art through the fountains and the birds singing. During our Art in the Garden Week, we will celebrate many different aspects of garden art. We will have celebration of our sculpture, Niagara Straight. Gordon Reeves, a local artist on Niagara. Gordon will actually be coming into the garden to speak about the creation and his inspiration that came from Niagara, the Niagara Straight, the Niagara people, and its history. Folks will be able to come and enjoy learning how to take the perfect shot within the Butterfly Conservatory, as well as painting leaves in the garden and even cake decorating. Come and enjoy and flex those artistic muscles when you're here in the garden.